So I made a video on the Godot Asset Store a couple weeks ago. This is the new asset store, which is going to be like an upgrade from the asset library. But we're to the point where we're already getting some really neat add-ons or plugins, whatever you want to call them. So this is one that I saw last week. It's going to be the first add-on I'll ever get from the asset store. It's basically 500 icons for your Godot classes, and the cool thing is these aren't just regular icons, these are actually styled and colored to look similar to the built-in Godot icons. So I figured I'd share this, show you guys how to get it set up in your own project. Again, I'm going to leave the link in the description, so be sure to check it out. But to install it, obviously just click on the download button. You're going to get a zip file. Once the file is installed, you can simply just paste the zip into your Godot project folder. And once you extract, I'm just going to extract here. Once you extract it, you're going to get this add-ons folder. That's all you need to do to install, just like a typical plugin. Now, I personally had to reload the project to get it to actually detect the new files. But once everything's imported, you simply go into your add-ons folder, find an icon that you want. I'm going to go to the 2D section. Just grab one of these, maybe this axe symbol. Now you can either copy the path or the UID. I like to just do the UID for things like this. With that copied, you can then go into any one of your scripts, and as long as we have a class name, we can assign a custom icon to the class. So here I'll make a new class underscore name. We'll say my class, and right above this line, we type the @icon annotation, and we simply give it the UID as the path. To get the icon to show up, you might have to go to project and then just reload the project again. And now if we go into our scene tree, make a new node, search for my class, we're going to have a custom icon next to our node, which is pretty cool, super straightforward, super simple. Now, again, this works with any type of class, even like resource classes and whatever. Obviously, all the credit goes to the creator of this add-on, which is Voxy, it looks like. So I'm going to leave the link to this in the description. Be sure to check it out, and also head over to the asset store main page. There's probably a ton of other assets that I haven't even seen on here. So I would personally look through these, see if there's anything useful that you could throw into your project quick. But anyways, just thought I would share that quick. Thank you so much for watching. Huge shout out to all the channel members. I'm hosting a game jam within the next, I think, week or so when this video goes live. So this month I'll probably have a few lower effort videos like this just due to the game jam, and also going to be at GodotCon, so that's going to take a big part out of the month. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.